Can tulsi be taken daily?
Definitely, tulsi can be taken daily in particularly yogic practices. Every day while preparing the tirtha, we go for the abhyanjana of the idols of the deities. We try to prepare that, and in all the holy places, you might have seen that tulsi is being kept there, and a few leaves of tulsi everyday consumption is good, and it is going to help us in many ways. It won't cause any problem. Only thing is that a person, one who is dominantly pitta character and his prakriti is pitta, then there may be some irritability on few days later. Continuously when he starts consuming tulsi, after few days he may develop little bit of irritation. That should be kept in mind, and that's an indication to stop for some time. Otherwise, consuming tulsi is always good, and many people consume it for the maintenance, and even for the tirtha prasadam and all those things. Tulsi has been put as a routine practice, enhancing the antiviral activity of tulsi and anti-kapha activity of tulsi, and it is good, nothing to worry.
This question had come previously from one of the readers. So he saw a TV show in which a big celebrity told that if you chew tulsi leaves, there will be mercury in tulsi leaves, which is going to hurt the health. Is there any truth in that, sir?
No, there is no such truth. And we don't find any reference saying that mercury is present inside the leaves of the tulsi. If a tulsi has been grown which is already contaminated with mercury, then there is already possibility. And it is not the only tulsi. Any plant grown in that area, contaminated area, using contaminated mercury contaminated waters. But people have a lot of issues with the mercury, but they don't know. Mercury is one of the wonder drug of Ayurveda, which has been subjected for a lot of shodhana procedures or purification procedures. Later only it has been subjected for using, and we have got a lot of nanomedicines. These nanomedicines are nothing but combinations of herbominerals, and they are being subjected for Ashtadash Samskara and so many things, and they are so minute, and they penetrate to the body, and they won't stay in the body, but they facilitate some action inside the body, pharmacological action, and they leave the body. So having a fear of mercury is of no use, because mercury has been in use since ages in India. We are using it in medicine.
Yeah, I mean, the mercury contamination, as Mr. Srinivasan has pointed out, is not just limited to any herb or any grains. Even the fishes are affected with many matter disorder. Yes, it's true. Yeah, another question, same with the tulsi, though it's not in the chat, is that many people fear that tulsi will affect the chances of fertility, especially in men. Have you observed anything, or do you have any comment on that, please?
Leaflets of tulsi consumption per day won't cause anything. If it is consumed in a large doses for a longer duration, then it may have a chances. But consuming that long, it is not by accidental, it is by voluntarily. So it is your choice. For what reason you are consuming so much of tulsi? That is a big question. This tulsi will be prescribed by a doctor in a specific dosage form, and such dosage forms won't cause you any untoward incidents.
Somebody has asked, can onion and garlic be consumed daily, or are they only meant for medicinal purpose only?
Garlic and onion is being consumed by people on daily basis since ages across the globe. In various dishes they are using it, and nothing to worry. But only thing is that, remember, onion is somewhat okay, but garlic is much stronger, tikshna in nature. So it has to be taken in right sense. Otherwise, it may cause some irritability by increasing the pitta. It is a very stimulant, and it increases pitta to a large extent. So it may not be suitable for every person. But consuming garlic doesn't cause any much problem. There are people, they are using garlic every day since ages. I have seen, nothing to worry.